team to? Yung group to? Almost sabay-sabay ah. Bra, okay? Then walk like a lady, okay? Okay. Don't run, just walk. Okay, don't run, just walk. Okay, nasa third member na sila. Okay to, sabay-sabay tong second group pa. Kanina may nauna eh.
Para may kwento nila sa kanila din. Diba?
Wow, ganda naman palang tignan. Okay, fourth group. Okay, nasa fourth group na. Naglalaban ang finance at saka yung mga MTC trainees. Naglalaban sila.
Ito.
MTC trainees ang naglalaban ngayon. Okay, put first your bra. Okay?
Manalo na natin.
Don't run, just walk, okay?
Ito. Malayo?
Isa pa sila.
Nauna lang.
Okay, last member.
Tiglas na sila.
Ha?
Nasa last member na rin ang
Ito.
AO.
Pati yun?
AO, Daniel, stop! Put first your bra, okay?